YouTube fam, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time here, I'm Kat and I'm gonna be showing you guys the home where I'm gonna be having my baby. I am super excited to show you this minimalist modern home with the perfect birthing tub. There are custom pieces throughout the whole house, just like this custom cabinetry along the wall of the main living area. It's pretty cool and convenient. Very zen vibes throughout. This whole cabinet system where the fridge is completely custom. It's storage and it kind of just blends the kitchen in together really nicely. How cool is this seating? You can tuck it away and it just goes perfectly flush with the island. Let's bring my pregnant butt upstairs, show you guys around. This is gonna be my birthing tub. How perfect is this tub? This was actually the main reason why I actually booked this place, because it had the best tub for having a baby in that I found from all the other places I looked at. That's gonna be me in a couple of days. The house has a very relaxing feel and I just love the neutral colors and the simplicity of it all. It's very, very soothing. The upstairs bathroom is a wet shower, so when you're showering, the water goes everywhere and you have to clean up when you're done. So that was a little annoying, but it's okay now. I've gotten used to it. I'm going to show you guys the basement, which I initially expected to smell like Doobs because it kind of has a 70s really hippie chill vibe to it. But it's really cute with a small kitchenette and little office in the back and another washroom. So that's the house, and I absolutely love the design. It's an older house. They did do a complete reno. I would have done things a bit differently, but overall I think they did a really good job. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe for positive vibes. And I'll see you guys soon.